How to add music to Instagram stories. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the option Your Story. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video or picture that you want to upload in your story along with the music. Once you have selected the video or the picture, now at the top you're going to find different option. Click on this music option. Now in this page you're going to find the list of the music. Also, you're gonna get different tab as trending, original sound and saved. You can explore these tabs and select the music of your choice. You'll be directed to this page. From here, you can select the specific part of the lyrics that you wanna add to your video. Just scroll right and left and select the specific part. Likewise, you are also able to select the template, and once you do that, click on next. From here, you can use other features of Instagram and edit your video or the picture. And once you do that, click on your story and upload it. So this way you can easily add music to Instagram stories. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.